Welcome to another edition, guys. Today, I'm going to go back to do some powder coating. We have some Honda Big Red 250 parts. First, we have a rim. We have to get the edges all straightened out a little bit. As you can see, natural wear and tear has put some dents here and there. So, first step, we got to straighten those. I do apologize for the absolute disaster of a bench that I have here, but I've been working on some fiberglass speaker pods for my CF Moto 800, and fiberglass is not the cleanest. So all I'm doing right now is just gonna bend out the edges a little bit, as close as I can get to the straighter parts. This rim overall wasn't too bad for the dents. I did the rear ones already a few weeks ago, and they were real bad. Doesn't take much effort, much force with a hammer to start moving the lip around. So you gotta be careful not to go too hard. There. Like I said, this one wasn't bad. That feels fairly even. So with that, now you can see how ugly and rusty that is down there. Let's see if we can't take this out, sandblast it, make it clean, stick around, and see what it looks like. Okay, powder fans, welcome back. You can see we're working on our Big Red 350 parts. I've got a coat of the zinc primer already sprayed. This one here is the front wheel for it. I've got some plugs in there to keep the splines and stuff clean. And the whole back of that masked off for the brakes. We are about to spray some silver and make these look fresh and brand new. And there we have it. Get in that tight little spot there. Stick around. We're gonna heat them up. Unmount. Welcome back, powder fans. Here we have a finished Big Red 350 wheel. There's the brake housing for it. Kept the backside clean like you wanted. There's the brake lever. As you saw earlier, I had the plugs in there. Took them out, and then we got the rim. That's going to look beautiful sitting on the front of his bike. I'm going to try and get a picture of that before I go too far. And he goes out and gets it all muddy, gets it dirty. So if you want to see more of my powder work, I've got another 3-wheeler frame, dirt bike frame. So I got a couple more things coming. So stick around, hit the subscribe button, and you can come along with the journey as well. Till next time.